Right, we've got this Alienware. I hate Alienwares. They should not be making laptops. Okay. The repairability is quite difficult. Tough. So this one, they said it doesn't turn on. Connect the charger. That's it. It doesn't go all the way. Why not? Okay. Power button. Nothing. Caps lock. Nothing. Okay. Do a quick inspection. This is from another take, so we can't spend too much time on this, unfortunately. Who knows where this laptop has been? Screws are already a bit out of place. Battery is already disconnected. Yo! Coming. Okay. So what can we do with a laptop that's already been inspected? What can we check? Right, we can check around here. Diode mode. No shorts in the main power rail. Could be going to ground. Yeah, that's fine. What's the battery voltage like? Hmm. So battery is giving charge. It is not charging the battery, or the battery is full. Yeah, it's not charging the battery. Or maybe battery is full. Disconnect. Yeah. Normally they'll, when you open the lid, they turn on as well. DDR5, wow. So this isn't that old. P50E. P50E. R5 AMD, really? AMD has failed? Hello? Yes, AMD has failed. Wow. What are the chances that it's one of those CPU MOSFETs? Maybe somebody not telling us something. All right, just to satisfy our curiosity, let's just check here. They could be using the chamber like the one in the Racer. Keep the weight down. And fuse area. Yeah, no short. Yeah. I don't want to make a meal out of this motherboard yet. Yeah, we'll see if they want us to go deeper. This requires a full disassembly to be diagnosed, which is a pain in the bum. And they can just say, no, I want to go ahead. Because the technician may not have the necessary skills to help communicate the problem and pull the deal through. So, we'll give them the options, see what they want to do. Yeah, you may be upset putting it all back, but this is the business end of the day. See what they want to do, and based on that, we'll go forward. Okay. Hopefully, we have a second part. See you in the next one.